Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's Battle of the Day. This is where we here at the Firearms Policy Coalition try to give you at least one thing that you can do today in order to help protect and defend your right to keep and bear arms. So please remember to like and share these videos and this video feed. Make sure all of your friends know what today's Battle of the Day is and what they need to be doing to help defend their rights today. Today's Battle of the Day is going to be taking place in the U.S. Senate. We've got a measure here, Senate Bill 2521, which is co-sponsored by both a Republican and a Democrat. That's important to note. Richard Blumenthal, Democrat from Connecticut, and Lindsey Graham, a senator from South Carolina, are sponsoring this bill, which basically promotes the issuance or will create a fund and promotes the issuance of extreme risk protection orders, otherwise known as gun violence restraining orders. Now, here's the challenge with these particular orders. As they've been implemented in a number of states, like here in the state of California, these orders start off with an individual who you may or may not know being able to go to court and stating that you are a danger to yourself or others. At that court proceedings, it's ex parte, which means that you're not there. You're not there because you don't even know that this is taking place. And at that, they're going to present what they presume to be evidence or one-sided evidence that you are a risk to yourself or others. Now, what will happen is the judge will then issue a restraining order against you or a protection order, making it so that you will not be able to own or possess a firearm until you go to court and prove that you are not a danger to yourself or others. So it violates in a number of different ways. Number one, there's a court proceedings. You don't get to face your accuser. Number one. Number two, due process. In many cases, like in the state of California, those individuals, with those orders, they then issue a gun seizure warrant here in the state of California, which tells law enforcement, hey, this guy is a danger to himself or others. He shouldn't have guns, and he may have guns. Go take his guns. So, and they're going to be able to go wherever they want, wherever they believe you might have a firearm, your home, your place of business, your friend's house, your girlfriend's house, wherever it might be, wherever they think you might have a firearm. Now, it may vary from state to state. I'm just telling you what it is here in California. But in any event, right against unreasonable search and seizure. Once again, mind you, you've not been convicted of any crime. And by the time you do eventually get to go to court, you are now guilty until proven innocent, meaning you have to prove that you are not a danger to yourself or others. Folks, groups like the ACLU have been opposed to these measures. The American Psychiatric Association have been opposed to measures like this. It's important that we stand together and just say, look, you know what? You don't lose all of your civil rights simply because people are scared of the Second Amendment, right? That's the reason why we need to stand against this. So how do you take action? Well, you go to firearmspolicy.org/actions. You click on the federal button, and then you look for Senate Bill 2521, and then you make sure to send your message. It's that simple. Or, actually, I'll make it even simpler for you. All you really have to do is click on the link in the description to this video, and that'll take you right to the page. Folks, let's get the word out. Let's get it out now. Due process first. Due process first. You deserve, every person deserves due process. And under gun violence restraining orders, under extreme risk protection orders, so far as they have been implemented across the country, no due process. It's time to stand up and let them know that we're going to stand up for all civil rights, for all people, all of the time. That's going to be it for today's Battle of the Day. Once again, please remember to like and share these videos, this video feed on YouTube and on Facebook. We very much appreciate your being a part in the fight for civil rights. We got to use them or we're going to lose them. You guys take care.
If you like